Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will be discussing about Monte Carlo simulation. As you can see over here, I've already taken an example. It's a very fairly simple example. What we are today going to predict is if on the same revenue, same fixed cost and same variable cost, we keep on going, what will be the risk of loss to our business? Monte Carlo simulation basically helps to predict the risk of profit or the risk of loss in any business. So let us begin with an example. Uh, so let us consider revenue as 2 lakhs, then fixed cost as 90,000, and again variable cost again as 1 lakh rupees. We have taken standard deviation 4,000, 2,000, and 4,000 each. Your first simulator, that is, we will be using a norm. Can let me first give context that what this formula is, what it stands for. Norm minimum value returns the inverse of normal cumulative distribution for specified mean and standard deviation for these two. Uh, Syntax is norm INORM. So you can see over here INV. Probability. So we are taking here random. Then mean of this and the standard deviation, as you can see over here. It changes every time when you refresh. Suppose if you click F9, that is refresh, every time this values will change. The probability over here is corresponding to the normal distribution. Um, Mean is an arithmetic mean of the distribution. Standard deviation is a standard deviation of the distribution. A hash, if you see hashtag value, error value uh, in any argument is non-numeric, then it returns hashtag value. It will return something like this. I'll write here. It won't return now because I've written it right. But if you get something like this, you have put a non-numeric thing. That's why it is returning this. But since we have put right numbers, see, once I refresh it, you can see the changes happening. Norm INV uses an iterative technique for calculating the function. Given a probability value, norm iterates until the results are accurate within the given range. If norm does not coverage after 100 iteration, the function returns NA as an error. Okay, so that's what norm simulator is. So you use this and mean and the standard deviation we have taken as this. Okay, and yeah, that's about that. For mean we have used okay, first let me come to the profit, then I will then you will understand this. For profit, for the first profit that we have taken, what we have done is B6 minus C6 minus D6, that is B B6 this minus this minus this, sorry. Okay, now then we copied this over here. What we then did was we used for this, if you see, we have taken 100 iterations. Yeah, 100 iterations. What we did is we went to data, we went to what if analysis, and we went to data table. Okay, I've written already here, so I won't be doing. uh, we'll be selecting both of these things. Okay, just a second, I'll do again. So basically, once you write it over here and just 1 to 100, select both of these things, then do what if analysis. In what if analysis, row, we don't need to write anything about row. Column, choose any random column, so that random column input cell is taken, so the Excel performs the calculations on that. That is why a random where nothing has been written, for example this. Okay, and then okay, I'm not doing okay because I've already done it. So that is about it. That is how we get this 100 random iterations. Profit we copied from here. How we got profit? We did first simulator revenue minus variable cost minus variable fixed cost minus variable cost. Basically, this is what is for simulator. We will be taking random number between of 2 lakhs plus minus 4,000 since we gave the standard deviation. We'll then be calculating mean from this to this, and the formula 1 to 100, I mean, for formula for the same is average 1 4 I4, that is I and 4. You can see this is 4 and this is I. 2 what I 103. So again I, and it will be 103. So yahan tak we will take the average. Similarly, the formula for standard, apply formula for standard for min for max for risk of loss. That is how we'll calculate this. We'll take all we'll take the values which are less than 0. That is what it means, loss, right? Loss matlab 0 se kam raha, then only we'll have loss. So we'll take that and we'll convert it into percentage. So there are total 6 places where we got negative values. See, so that is by 6%. Coming to so since this is a normal distribution, we'll take this as our data, this profit that we calculated 100, and we'll make a table. We'll make we have made a bar graph. You can select this, select whatever you want. Suppose you want this, okay, select this, go to the bar graph, histogram. See, this is how it's made. I've already made, so I'm deleting this one, and this is what we have. I've just renamed it to Monte Carlo. You can do various things with it. So that is all about how, if this is an example of Monte Carlo simulation. If you want to see more, please let me know. Thank you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I forget to say that every time.